Okay, here's your ring, and what you need to do is start with one of those end pieces. Doesn't matter which one, they're identical. There you go. Now you got to make sure, you'll be holding it in your left hand, you make sure that the flat edge is to the left, so the lumpy bit comes out on the right. Now the one hanging below, doesn't matter how it's oriented, you basically twist it as far as it will go, the way that I've just done, and then just lift it up till you can do that. You'll now see that where those two bands are together, there's something like a hole here, and that is where the next one is going to fit into. So this is a chain ring, each piece fits into place exactly the same way as all the other pieces. So instant replay, take this one, twist it, and then slide it up into that hole. You'll notice I have to hold these first two so that they're quite apart, because otherwise you're not going to be able to slip this one into place. If you've got them far enough apart, that will then slip into place. There's the hole, there's the next one, twist it, lift it up, and keeping all the rest of them loose so that you can get that next one up into place, etc, etc, etc. In this case it's a 5-piece ring, so there's only one to go. Same deal, twist it, lift it up, slide it up, and when you've got that last one into place, everything will simply collapse nicely. There you go.